Good morning, Unity of Delray Beach, and also a hearty good morning to all who might be listening and watching this program today. It's my pleasure to be back with you again today and to prepare today's service to give that. So let us join and let us begin by joining together with meditation and prayer. And so I'm going to invite you to just get comfortable right where you're sitting, to let go of any distractions that may be around you, and to just sit back and relax and become calm and still right where you are. And if it's comfortable for you, to close your eyes. I'm reminded of a story as we begin this time, a story of a great master teacher who was with some of his friends in a boat out on the sea. And he is very peacefully sleeping in the bow of the boat, and all of a sudden a storm arises. And the followers who are with him are very afraid, and so they woke him up. And so this great teacher stands and he proclaims as he looks out upon the sea and the chaotic situation that he sees, he says, "Peace, be still. Peace, be still." And all became calm and still around him. Today, in the midst of the storm, in the midst of the chaos, you and I can stand up and proclaim, "Peace, be still." There's a holy presence right here, right now, no matter where you are. It is peaceful and it is calm. And in the holiness of this moment, in prayer, we put aside all our fears, all of our worries. Spirit is moving within your mind and sets you free. The breath of the Almighty breathes through you with a quiet power. And there is deep within you a center of peace. It is always there. So very quietly to yourself, affirm that. There is peace within me. Nothing can intrude on the peace that is within you, and yet often we allow the smallest thing to cover it up and to hide it from us. Someone says something unkind to you. You get angry and your peace seems to go away. And yet it's always there. And you can always come back to it. You just need to let go of whatever is blocking that peace, and it is yours to experience again. So don't let the outer disturbance cover up the peace that is within you. When you live from that perspective of peace, you live with great power and effectiveness. When nothing can trouble you, everything is of great value to you. It is your nature to be at peace and to live with the peaceful power within you. The peace that you seek is already there, so allow that peace to flow freely throughout your awareness. And affirm, the spiritual peace that I experience is not narrow but deep, broad, and full of joy. I am safe in God's care. My loved ones are safe in God's care. And I pray that I will never have any separation from the peace of God that I feel in this moment. I dwell in peace. I live in peace and find my perfection in peace here and now. Let us take just a few moments in the silence. Peace is my experience in this day, and I ask Spirit to bring peace and the perfect manifestation in every area of my life now and always. And now we very gently and easily bring ourselves back into this time and space. And as we join together to meet the day that is ahead of us, let us take a measure of this peace with us. So we bring this time to a close by saying Amen. So thank you, and we will now continue with the rest of the service.